Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a 3D pie specific exploded chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, I have created sample data as shown on the screen. This is the category and values data. So first we will be seeing the output of a VBA code, and then we will be seeing the VBA code to how to create a 3D pie exploded chart. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is the 3D specific exploded pie chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we are going to see how we can code in VBA Excel. So let's see the VBA editor now. And this is our VBA editor, and this is our sub-procedure to create a 3D specific pie chart, pie exploded chart in VBA Excel. And I believe this is the one of the simplest code in from which we can create a 3D specific exploded pie chart in VBA Excel. So let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA. Let's have a look on the code. First, what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is my data and I have selected a single cell called C4. Once you have selected a single cell, what we are going to do is we are going to use a with statement which will help us to create the 3D specific exploded pie chart in VBA Excel. So after selecting a single cell, what we are going to do is we are going to type with, and then we are going to type active sheets dot shapes dot add chart 2, and in the brackets we are going to give some parameters to create this chart. Now let's see what are they. The first parameter which we are going to give is chart value. So always remember we are going to give the first parameter as a chart value. For this video, our chart value is 2. After that, we are going to create a 3D pie chart. So what type of chart we are creating, that parameter has to be given over here. For this video, we are going to create a Excel 3D pie, and then we are going to give the left, width, top and height parameters to position and size the chart which we are creating. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to close the bracket, and then we are going to type dot chart. Once you have written this line of code, then after that what we are going to do is we are going to set our chart title. So as you can see, this is our chart title inside our chart, and we are going to see how we can set this. So to set the chart title, we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and then our name of our chart title. So in this video, our name of our chart title is 3D specific exploded pie chart, and which is reflecting same inside our chart. Once you have given this, what we are going to do is we are going to show the data labels over here with the category and the value on each and every slice of pie. So what we are going to do is we are going to type dot apply data labels, and then we are going to give a space. After that, we are going to type show category name and then Remember, this is important. Once you have given show category name, we are going to give a colon and then equals to sign, and then we are going to type true. So this line of code ensures that this will show the category name as well as the values for our chart. Once you have given this parameter, now let's say we want to show a specific pie as a exploded, right? So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot series collection 1 inside the brackets. As you can see, we have only one series of collection over here. And then what we are going to do is outside the brackets we are going to type dot points, and after writing or typing dot points, what we are going to do inside the bracket, we are going to mention what or which specific slice of pie should be exploded for us. So for this video I have selected 3, or you can say third point as my pie explosion. So let's say if you want to show the exploded pie as D instead of C, then what you can do is you can just type 4 in it, and then there you go, you have your category D as a specific exploded chart, pie chart. After typing this, what we are going to do is outside the brackets we are going to type dot explosion equals to 50. So once you have written this line of code, your slice of the pie will be exploded, a single pie will be exploded. And then what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends on the top over here. So as you can see, our legends are placed on the top. So to do that, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element legend top, and that's it. After writing these lines of code, we are going to type end with at the end. So once you have written end with, your chart will be ready. So congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D specific exploded pie chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And for more such videos, please do visit our channel page BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts and suggestions, please do comment in the comment section. We will be more happy to help you. Till then, have a great day. Bye.